Honorable Thomas Tayebwa umwezi wa speaker w'ishinjo ry'ihanga obwajwekire mukuru w'ihanga yahamza abantu ba Kisoro ngo kore ngo utonka ihanga bakwebembeza munonga obwagumize ngo entunguko kubaho n'enguto zine kubazkozuri
kandi agaruka yasima abakwatanisa n'ipira ba banka ya Africa kabo koro rugudo sente zirjo mu government ya Uganda no mu banka ya Africa. Ekindi president yashaba Oliyo naza kororo ngo agezeho ebintu bimwe kamabare kebyo kurya nebyo kozesa abiho muri mwabataka.
Honorable Katumba Wamala, Minister w'enshonga z'emirimo n'entambula mu ihanga yagamba hakora urwutoro.
It's more, these are more towards promoting tourism, but also enabling the communities to move and trade better. Once completed, this project will facilitate the development of the tourism industry, as already alluded to by the local leadership, and also enhance accessibility of Kabale and Kisoro.
Mwerinde mweto azeje mugumiza mwini mukore mirimo yanyu muhamire akimshimire kwani mukore.
Katumba yashaba abatura okwatanisa n'aba contractor okureba ngo umurimo gwatambura kurungi.
This is your project. This road is for the people of Kisoro. It's not for the people of Egypt. So be interested in the project. Follow it up closely and see that things are done. You may not be an engineer, but you can as well see if something is not being done right.
Kabare Bunyonyi Kisoro mu gahinga project eji neza kumaraho miliyoni za dola $68 okurwa mu Africa Development Bank gasha kwa keta tuzariwe.